Hey, today I'm going to talk a little bit about algebra. I know, right? The moment you heard algebra, you're like, oh no, that's so scary. Guess what? It's not. Algebra is probably one of the easiest topics that you could understand. It's all about understanding the basic concepts behind it. So today I'm just going to explain one small basic concept and just try to guide you through so that you can better understand the concepts of how to solve those kind of equations in algebra. So let me first open my camera so that you can see properly the whiteboard. So in algebra, you will have an equation which will have two variables. So suppose you have the two variables, suppose one set of equations is x plus y equals 10. So in this instance, the two variables are x and y, and we don't know the values of both of them. Suppose in the question they give that y equals 5. Now if y equals 5, the next thing that they're going to say is, how are you going to find the value of x? Well, this is pretty simple. If x plus y equals 10, and if the value of y is given as 5, so that means if you substitute the value, when I say substitute the value, I'm pretty much referring to the fact that just put the value of 5 instead of y. So it would be x, sorry, my marker is not working. It would be x plus 5 would be equivalent to 10. Now, just to have x on the left side, we're going to take 5 over here. So when you take it on the other side of the equation, you got to subtract it. The sign becomes opposite. So if it's positive 5 over here, if you take it to the other side of the equation, it'll become a negative 5. So it becomes x equals 10 minus 5. If you further solve it, 10 minus 5 is nothing but 5. So in this instance, we were able to find the value of x, which happens to be 5. So this is just like a basic, just a basic explanation of how you could solve an equation which has two variables and where the value of one of the variable is given and you need to find the value of the second variable. It is very easy. This understanding goes further into solving two sets of equations, three sets of equations with two variables, with three variables. So if you found this explanation to be pretty nice and understanding, and if you would like to study more about it, and if you would like to, go in depth or in details about it and study more advanced concepts of it in a very easygoing manner, and if you really found my explanation or the way I explained this segment of algebra, then feel free to contact me as an instructor to help you with your algebra lessons.